We all know that many students have to balance their university studies with work, socialising, and other commitments. It's common to feel overwhelmed sometimes. There's a lot to stay on top of, which is why time management is such an important skill to master during your time at university. The earlier you prioritise and plan your work, the less stressed and anxious you will feel. Using your time effectively will lead to you making progress on your course, achieving better results, and feeling happier overall. Establish a routine and use techniques that work for you. Forming good working habits is a much more effective way of achieving your goals than constantly having to rely on motivation or self-discipline. It can really help to use some kind of planner to keep track of your various commitments. This could be a physical diary, Google Calendar, or even a calendar on your wall. Look up important dates such as term times, assignment deadlines, exams and presentations, and write them in your planner. Add any other commitments such as work and social events to your diary too. Make it a habit to check your diary often so you can see important events and deadlines coming up in the next few weeks. It also helps to set out your goals at the beginning of each week and prioritise them by identifying the most important things you need to do. Each day, break your goals down into smaller tasks that you can realistically complete in that day. Your targets should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will make your goals seem less overwhelming, and it will give you a sense of achievement when you manage to tick off some of these tasks. Make a plan for when you are actually going to do those tasks each day. For example, if you have a lecture in the morning, will you go straight to the library afterwards to work on an assignment? Think about what time of day you work best. Can you plan to tackle your most challenging tasks during those times? Think about what specific materials you need to do your work. For example, your laptop, pen and paper, highlighters, books, maybe specific equipment such as a camera. Have these items ready in your bag in advance so you don't waste time looking for things and gathering them together when you're ready to start working. Try planning and prioritizing your current work. Make a list of all the tasks you want or need to do. Make a 2x2 grid with important and not important on one side and urgent and not urgent on the other side. Write each task into one of the 4 quadrants. Next, take your diary or a piece of paper and make a plan for when you're going to work on the important tasks. There are several techniques you can try to stay focused and get work done. The Pomodoro technique is a way of achieving short bursts of focused work without draining yourself of energy. The method is simple. Set a timer and work on one task for 25 minutes without interruption, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this process 3 or 4 times before taking a longer break. Alternatively, try using focus apps such as Forest, Be Focused, or the website focusmate.com to help keep you on task. You can also use apps such as Google Calendar to send yourself reminders for when you need to do certain things. The key to staying focused is eliminating distractions. These could be your phone, other people, your dog, background noise. Try to identify your biggest distractions and make a plan for how to eliminate them. For example, you could turn your phone off or put it out of sight. Use noise-cancelling headphones. Work on the silent floor in the library. Turn off the Wi-Fi on your laptop if you don't need it. Shut your dog out of your room. Ask your friends not to talk to you for half an hour. Another approach is working with a study buddy and holding yourselves accountable to each other. Agree what you each want to work on, then check in after a set period of time to discuss your progress. Planning and prioritising are crucial skills that will help you to be successful during your time at university and beyond. Everybody works differently, and ultimately you need to find time management methods that work for you. Managing your diary, reflecting on how you work best, and eliminating distractions will help you to achieve the best results you can while reducing feelings of anxiety and stress. Good luck.